Hello and welcome to a video tutorial showing you how to enable and disable student commenting inside of your Google Classroom. My name is Tyler Osborne. So if you take a look at your Google Classroom, scroll down just a little bit, you can see right here underneath my assignment, I have the ability to add a class comment. Now, most of my students will also have the ability to add comments as well. Sometimes you might be in a situation where you don't want them to be able to comment. I know in my classroom, I prefer to allow students to be able to comment because I often find that they make mistakes. So, for instance, one of my students likes to comment sup on lots of things. And I teach that as a learning experience for him. So whenever he does something like that, I kind of have a little conversation with him about how when you post something online, everybody can see it. And does he really want to be known as the kid that says sup? Now, in Google Classroom, only the 20 or so students that I have can see it. But if you did something like that on YouTube, literally a billion people could see it. And that could be the way that he gets known. So we have a conversation about reputation, things like that. But for some of you, you might just prefer to disable the ability to comment. So let's talk about how to do that. Go into the Students tab on your Google Classroom. So I'm here in Stream, and I'm going to move over to Students. Now, this classroom doesn't have any students in it yet, but over here, right underneath the class code, it's students can post and comment, and there's a little drop-down arrow beside it. Click that arrow. So you can have students posting in the Google Classroom if you want them to, as well as commenting. Maybe students can only comment and they can't create new posts, or only teachers can post or comment. So I usually keep the top one on by default, just in case there's problems. That way I can deal with the problems inside the classroom instead of allowing students to make their own mistakes later on. But these other two options are available for you as well. So quickly again, the difference between the first two, the top one, students can create posts as well as comment. Whereas the second one, students can only comment on things that you have created. So I usually create the first one or use the first one at all times. So that's how you would enable or disable student commenting inside of your Google Classroom. If you like this video, please consider leaving some feedback on my website, or better yet, leave a comment in the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.